part 2 of a 3-part series. In part 1, I discussed 5 wraps on selections. In this video, I'll introduce 3 more wraps. However, this time they will be on masks instead of selections. You will learn red reveals, clear conceals. Black conceals, white reveals. And gray will partially conceal and gray will partially reveal. If you want to learn Photoshop in a fun and easy way, click the like, subscribe, share, and notification buttons so that you don't miss any more video like this one. Let's turn our attention to the first rule of mask. Wrap it with me now. Red conceals, clear reveals. Sometimes it's hard to know what is selected and what is not selected, especially if the selection has been inverted. However, a quick mask will show you what is selected and what is not selected in the form of a mask. Lame joke alert. A quick mask is a mask that's created quickly. Click the quick mask icon to enter the quick mask mode. The clear area reveals what is selected, and the red area conceals what is not selected. Now that you know what is selected and what is not selected, press the quick mask icon again to exit the quick mask mode and return to the normal selection mode. This statement brings us to rule number 2 of mask. Wrap it with me now. Black conceals, white reveals. When creating most mask types in Photoshop, the golden rule you may have learned in many books or training is black conceals and white reveals. However, the problem for most beginners is, what is the it that it conceals or reveals? Well, it depends upon the type of mask that is being applied. In this training module, I will discuss the layer mask, which is one of the easiest and most used of over half a dozen types of masks in Photoshop. For more ways of creating and using these various types of masks, see my advanced training entitled Masking Made Easy. Unmask the mystery of the mask. So using the current project, press the eye icon on the blank layer to hide that layer. Click the picture frame layer to select it. Press the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to add a layer mask to the selected layer and let the magic begin. Now you can see the image of the beautiful lady below the picture frame layer. Notice the selected area became white and the non-selected area became black on the layer mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Now note on the canvas, the black areas of the mask conceals a portion of the image pixels, making them transparent, denoted by the checkerboard pattern, so that those pixels are hit to reveal pixels of the underlying layer, whereas the white area of the thumbnail mask reveals a portion of the image pixel, making them opaque, so that those pixels are seen. Important note. It is important to note that the original image is never altered, only masked, hence the term. For geeks out there, this is called non-destructive editing. To prove this point, hold down the Shift key and click the mask thumbnail twice to show and then hide the original image on the canvas. And to enable or disable, denoted by the red X, the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Hold down the Alt or Option key and click the mask thumbnail twice to show and hide the mask itself on the canvas. Let's look at rule number 3 of mask. Wrap it with me now. Gray will partially conceal and gray will partially reveal.
Gray will partially conceal and gray will partially conceal and gray will partially reveal. Gray will partially conceal and gray will partially reveal.
If you paint with gray on a regular mask or a quick mask, the mask will become translucent or semi-transparent in the areas where the gray is painted. Select the paintbrush tool and choose a light gray color. Select the picture frame layer mask thumbnail instead of the image thumbnail, and paint in an area outside of the picture frame. Notice the area on the canvas is semi-transparent because the mask was painted with a gray color. Also note the gray on the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Press Command or Control+Z to undo this previous step. Now that we've learned about selections and masks, let's complete our training with a discussion on layers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos like this one. Click the link below for a free copy of my ebook. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And remember the rap, the more you learn, the more you may earn.